That's through. Sahibzada Farhan is up and running with the boundary. Risty, very risty from Waqar Ahmed. Big, nice, that's hammered. And all the way for 6. That is super. That is fantastic.
और इसे खूबसूरत अंदाज में खेला एक और दिलकश पंच ऑफ साइड में साहिबजादा फरहान का और वो शॉट गेंद लेकिन तैयार थे
बेहतरीन शॉट इस टाइम तो बॉलर से खेल रहे हैं
और ये शॉट गेंद पिल पड़े और ये गजब का शॉट है और साहिबजादा फरहान एक और खूबसूरत शॉट पमाल कर दिया इसे भी
लेकिन ये बात जरूर हो सकती है जिसकी आपने निशानदेही की है शॉर्ट गैप में है
आउट किए यहीं हवा में खेल गए थे और 4 रन मिल जाएंगे
ये खूबसूरत शॉट कवर की तरफ मिस फील्डिंग और फिर 4 रन मिलेंगे साहिबजादा को
Do runs on the board, and when you got someone like Sahibzada Farhan going all guns blazing, more runs here, should be a boundary. This probably looks like the highest score in the first 10 overs, if I'm not wrong. Will down on one knee, another maximum, add 6 more, take the side to 102.
Sahibzada stays. It happens.
Flat 6. Yeah, just over. Oh, he's got it. What a catch. Kamran Ghulam, is it?
Oh, खूबसूरत शॉट निहायत आलम लेकिन खेल नहीं पाए थे अच्छे फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेटर थे oh, खूबसूरत शॉट अच्छी गेंद थी लेकिन खूबसूरत अंदाज में इससे निमटा जो है रन्स कंसीड किए इस बार भी बाउंड्री नहीं मिलेगी ओह खराब फील्डिंग
Down, one knee, same result, maximum.
all around the park as this one is flat batted for another 6
And he look just like that. He's just smashing them. One bounce or all the way changes the angle. Because this is surely not working. It's really not working. That's another maximum.
yeah another boundary this might be it's been a misfield and the ball is running away and it will get to the boundary provided used in the perfect manner as this one well now he's just toying with the bowlers
Wow. He's hit that with a horizontal bat.
this one is straight and this time it's over mid-off it's raining 6s now and the 200 and this is up and over once again and will go the distance
But he says, I'm going to be into it as well.
and he goes again and this time the fielder has a chance and he takes it this is a good running catch Sahibzada Farhan in Pakistan in this one tournament it's never been achieved as this one goes high up in the air and there's a chance for the fielder and he takes it
Everything's going against them. That's massive. That's out of the park. Heavy breeze. Look at that. Just really a very good shot.
in the slot mostly another one in the slot and it's likely that it will go over and it does